Hi, this is Dave Smith. My song I'm going to play for you is called Seymour the Seagull. He likes hanging out down at the beach, close enough to touch, just barely out of reach. He's always got an eye on me and you, and watching the scenery, enjoying the view. Seagulls see more, but no seagull sees more than my buddy Seymour the Seagull. We're birds of a feather, Seymour and I. He tried so hard to teach me to fly. We walked out to the end, then we jumped off the pier, and Seymour winked. He said, "Flying starts here." Well, they flew from one end of that beach to the other, without so much as a tiny little flutter. As for myself, I did not fare so well. The harder I flapped, the faster I fell. The seagulls see more, but no seagull sees more than my buddy Seymour the Seagull. The seagulls see more, but no seagull sees more than my buddy Seymour the Seagull. Well, that flight was my first, but it won't be my last. I'll fly again as soon as I get out of this cast. Seymour's the coolest, the bird of the seas, and I can't wait to see what Seymour sees. The seagulls see more, but no seagull sees more than my buddy Seymour the Seagull. The seagulls see more, but no seagull sees more than my buddy Seymour the Seagull. And I can't wait to see what Seymour sees.